Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping back into the golden age of German engineering to take a closer look at the 1976 Mercedes-Benz 230.4, a timeless classic from the legendary W115 series. Built during an era when Mercedes prioritized quality over quantity, the 230.4 stands as a symbol of reliability, craftsmanship, and understated elegance. Exterior. At first glance, the 1976 Mercedes 230.4 radiates that unmistakable 70s Mercedes charm, boxy yet graceful, solid yet sophisticated. The W115 series was designed by Paul Bracq, the same genius behind many of Mercedes' most iconic designs. Up front, you've got that massive chrome grille with the proud three-pointed star leading the way. The round headlamps sit symmetrically on either side, giving it that classic executive look. The body lines are clean, straight, and purposeful, with chrome accents tracing the windows and bumpers, adding just the right touch of luxury. From the side, you can see the long hood, short deck proportions, and subtle character lines that give it a sense of motion even when standing still. At the rear, the design remains simple and functional, with large rectangular taillights and solid chrome bumpers that could probably survive a low-speed collision without a scratch. This car wasn't designed to shout, it was designed to last. Interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why Mercedes-Benz built its reputation on craftsmanship. The interior of the 230.4 is all about functionality and quality. Everything feels solid, from the heavy doors that close with a satisfying thunk, to the real wood trim that gives the cabin a warm, inviting touch. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, featuring classic VDO analog gauges, simple climate controls, and that iconic thin-rimmed steering wheel with the Mercedes logo in the center. Seats are upholstered in durable MB Tex vinyl or optional leather, designed not just for comfort but for decades of use. There's plenty of legroom both front and back, and the overall visibility is excellent thanks to those thin pillars and large windows, something modern cars could learn from. Every switch, knob, and handle feels like it was built to last forever. Performance. Under the hood, the 230.4 gets its name from its 2.3-liter inline-four engine, producing around 110 horsepower and 172 Nm of torque. It's not a rocket ship, but performance was never the goal, refinement and reliability were. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 4-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and a relaxed driving experience. On the road, the W115 feels incredibly stable. The hydraulic steering, independent suspension, and disc brakes on all four wheels give it a confidence few cars of its era could match. It's a cruiser, not meant for racing, but for gliding effortlessly down the Autobahn or city streets with a feeling of class and control. The 1976 Mercedes 230.4 represents a time when Mercedes-Benz engineered cars to a standard, not a price. Everything about it, from its overbuilt mechanics to its timeless styling, screams durability and dignity. Even decades later, you'll still find W115s running strong around the world, proof of Mercedes' legendary craftsmanship. So, if you're looking for a classic that combines elegance, reliability, and pure mechanical honesty, the 1976 Mercedes-Benz 230.4 might just be your perfect vintage companion. What do you think of this timeless machine? Would you own one today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the classics alive.